Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, guys. This is my old car and I like it very much. This is Toyota All New 1996. So that the age is approximately 26 years, of course. And because it's absolutely old, so that the maintenance must be done regularly, routine, and well done. And now, guys, I would like to open this cap. This is radiator cap, and I would like to check the water. The water is leaking, or it is normal. Now, oh my God! Thank you very much. I must be grateful because the water is very normal and still good. Okay? Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.